What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Escape flip key remote fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2020 to 2024 Ford Escape for the Escapes that do not have a push button start ignition. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip my key out. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to look in that space that the key just flipped out of. And if we look right here, you can see there's this little notch that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver right here. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it up in that notch like this. Then I'm going to pry up, and as I do that, it pops this back cover up. Once we get that cover off, we can see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then snap our back cover on, fold our key back down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.